Hello, and welcome back to Easy English Sip. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Last time, we helped you confidently ask for and offer help. Now, let's talk about something even more exciting, your future.
Imagine you're at a networking event, a job interview, or just chatting with new friends. Someone asks, "What's your dream job?" You have a clear vision in your mind, a role that excites you, where you can use your skills and feel truly fulfilled.
But then, you feel that familiar hesitation. Stop letting language barriers hold you back from describing your dream job. Maybe you lack the right vocabulary to express your passions, or you're unsure how to talk about your aspirations professionally.
This video is your go-to guide. We're here to equip you with practical phrases that make communicating your professional aspirations simple and straightforward. By the end of this lesson, you'll master the vocabulary and sentence patterns to talk about your ideal career with confidence and clarity. Let's make your dream job a reality in English.
All right, Anna. To talk about our dream jobs, we need some key words. What's foundational here?
Absolutely, Ben. Let's start with words describing what you want, dream job or ideal career. And for our A1, A2 learners, thinking about common jobs helps a lot, like a teacher, a doctor, an engineer, an artist, a chef, or a manager. Then think about what makes it ideal: passion, skills, growth, impact, fulfillment.
Good points. And what you do in the job, responsibilities, tasks, projects. For example, a teacher has responsibilities to educate. An artist might work on creative projects. Also, the kind of environment you want: supportive, challenging, innovative.
Excellent! Now let's learn 5 powerful sentences to help you describe your dream job clearly and professionally. Sentence number 1, for stating your overall goal. My dream job is to be a job title where I can main goal contribution. For example, my dream job is to be a marketing manager where I can develop creative campaigns. Or, my dream job is to be a teacher where I can inspire young minds. It's direct and specific.
Perfect. Now, how do you talk about what truly motivates you in a job?
That brings us to sentence number 2. I'm passionate about activity, field, and want to use my skills to achieve something. For instance, I'm passionate about technology and want to use my skills to build innovative solutions. Or, I'm passionate about helping people and want to use my skills to improve health.
Great. Sometimes the work environment is as important as the job itself. How do you describe your ideal workplace?
Use sentence number 3. I thrive in a type of environment where I can benefit activity. For example, I thrive in a collaborative environment where I can learn from others. Or I thrive in a challenging environment where I can solve complex problems. For a chef, this might be a fast-paced, creative kitchen.
Very useful for interviews. Now, how do you explain the impact you want to make or the purpose of your dream job?
For that, use sentence number 4. I want a role where I can make a type of impact by action. For example, I want a role where I can make a positive impact by helping customers achieve their goals. Or, I want a role where I can make a creative impact by designing user-friendly products. For a doctor, it's about making a difference in patients' lives.
Excellent. Finally, how do you talk about your long-term career growth or what you hope to achieve?
That's sentence number 5. Ultimately, I want to achieve something and constantly verb my skills. For example, ultimately, I want to become a team leader and constantly develop my leadership skills. Or, ultimately, I want to be an expert in my field and constantly learn new things. An engineer might want to lead major projects.
There you have it. 5 must-know sentences and essential words to confidently describe your dream job. Okay, Anna, let's bring all these words and sentences to life with a focused role play. Imagine we're at a career fair or a friendly chat, and the question about our dream jobs comes up.
All right, Ben, I'm ready. Let's show our learners how easy and natural this can be. So, Ben, it's great to meet you. Tell me, what's your dream job? If you could do anything, what would it be?
That's a great question, Anna. My dream job is to be a project manager where I can lead innovative tech projects. I really enjoy seeing ideas come to life.
Interesting. What is it about project management or tech that you're so drawn to?
I'm passionate about finding efficient solutions and want to use my skills to streamline processes and help teams succeed. I find fulfillment in solving complex problems and creating something new.
That makes sense. And what kind of work environment do you prefer for such a role?
I thrive in a dynamic, collaborative environment where I can work closely with diverse teams and constantly learn new things. I like places that encourage growth and innovation.
Sounds like you know exactly what you're looking for. What kind of impact do you hope to make in this ideal career?
I want a role where I can make a significant impact by delivering high-quality products that truly benefit users. I want my work to matter.
That's a powerful vision. And looking ahead, what's your ultimate goal in this career path?
Ultimately, I want to become a recognized expert in my field and constantly expand my knowledge and leadership skills. I'm always looking for growth opportunities.
That's fantastic, Ben. You've got a very clear vision for your ideal career. It was great hearing about it. We've had a fantastic conversation about our dream jobs. Now, let's add some extra polish to your English toolkit with more advanced and natural expressions.
Absolutely. Let's dive into our bonus round for some even more natural ways to communicate.
When talking about what you enjoy doing in a job, I find satisfaction in activity. For example, I find satisfaction in mentoring junior colleagues.
To describe what you value most, what I value most is aspect. For example, what I value most is the opportunity for continuous learning.
Great ones, Ben. Now for our special segment, Fluent Phrases from the Hosts. These are perfect for adding depth to your career aspirations. To talk about long-term goals, my long-term goal is to achieve something. This is very professional. For example, my long-term goal is to lead a global team.
When explaining why a job attracts you, what truly appeals to me is aspect. This focuses on your personal draw to the role. For example, what truly appeals to me is the chance to innovate.
Excellent! These phrases will definitely make your English even more natural and confident when discussing your career. And for our final cultural tip, when discussing dream jobs in English-speaking professional settings, it's common to be enthusiastic but also realistic. Focus on your skills, passion, and what you can contribute, rather than just what you want to get. Be confident but always polite and professional.
And that wraps up our essential guide to describing your dream job in English. We truly hope you feel more confident in expressing your career aspirations.
We absolutely do, Ben. Being able to confidently talk about your ideal career is a huge step in your English journey. Let's quickly review our 5 key sentences with examples. My dream job is to be an engineer where I can design innovative products. I'm passionate about art and want to use my skills to create beautiful paintings. I thrive in a collaborative environment where I can learn from others. I want a role where I can make a positive impact by helping people. Ultimately, I want to become an expert in my field and constantly develop my skills. Practice these until they're second nature.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what's your dream job? And what's one key skill you want to use in it? We'd love to read your comments and help you feel even more prepared.
If this lesson helped you feel ready to confidently describe your dream job, please give this video a like. It helps our community grow and reach more learners. And for more interactive language lessons, make sure you subscribe to our channel, EasyEnglishSip.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep learning, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next conversation.